Shalom and welcome. In this video, we will look at a vowel change that is only happening in PUAL. That means that in PUAL, there are moments when we change from U to O, like in hu mevorach. It is not hu mevurach, it is hu mevorach. He is blessed. And by the way, today I am working out of a co-working, and that is the reason that you only have a picture from me and not my face in front of the camera. Okay, let's start. To understand the whole story, we first have to look at guttural letters. These are the guttural letters that you might be aware of. Aleph, Hey, Chet, and Ein. But there is also RESH. Well, technically, RESH is a guttural letter. You might have never heard about it because only those here are actually having effects in all binyanim, in one way or the other. Now, RESH only shows up in a vowel change in PUAL. So that letter might not be on your radar. And for that reason, we are going to talk about it in this video. And just as a reminder, I have this course of 90 days Hebrew verbs, where I teach all the nitty-gritty of Hebrew verbs. Information you find on my website. This is also where you can sign up for the newsletter. And now we start. PL PUAL present tense. Let's take this example. Levarech, to bless. Now we are in PL. As you know, there is no infinitive in PUAL. So levarech is the infinitive, and now we want to come to the present tense. Hu mevarech. Levarech, mevarech. It's very simple in PL. Hu mevarech, he blesses. So this is PL. Hu mevarech. Now we want to come to PUAL. He is blessed, or he is being blessed, as you wish. How do we make it in PUAL? Well, we also put a mem in front, but we also need the vav. This is where we always say, oh yeah, a vav for the U vowel, right? Right. So this doesn't change. What changes is the pronunciation. We don't say mevurach. We say hu mevorach. He is blessed. What happened? Why is it hu mevorach? Let's look at it. Hu mevorach. We change from U to O. And this is because we have RESH on the second root position and we are in PUAL. And this combination makes us change from U to O. This is the reason. Let's look at another example. Hu mekarev. He brings closer. This is PL. If you want to say he is close or he is related, then you say hu mekorav, not mekurav, mekorav. Same story. RESH on the second root position, and we are in PUAL. This is why we change from U to O. Okay? I hope that you like this video. I hope I could teach you something new, and I also hope I see you in the next one. Neshikot. Shalom.